but it was the biggest record of my career, and it got him started out as a songwriter. I figured I'd sing it again tonight and help him make a little money because right now he owes the government $16 million. So Willie Nelson, this is for you, son. Hello, walls. Hello now. Hot things go for you today. Now don't you miss her. Since she upped and walked away, and I'll bet you dread to spend another lonely night with me. But lonely walls, I'll keep you company. Hello, Wenda. Well, I see that you're still here.